So the question often arises, where do I start without overthinking? Most people don't have a starting point. They have analysis paralysis, which is, what should I do first? So they sit there thinking, researching, watching YouTube videos, maybe like this one, instead of just doing anything, something. Meanwhile, someone less skilled is already making money. So here's the friggin' breakdown. Starting is not some giant perfect plan. It's just one person, one problem, one attempt to help. That's it. For example, I helped my friend last week land his first client. Pretty clear, right? Or I helped one school community owner reduce churn. Not 100 people, not your future audience, not your brand, just one. This is literally how my software started, Wingman, which is a CRM for Skool. It started because I was just helping school owners stop churn, and then more and more of them started asking for help. So here's what you actually do. You find the one person, you try to talk to them, and you try and help them. No funnel, no logo, no content strategy, just reps. This and the part people hate. Clarity comes after action, not before. You do not have to think your way into clarity. It almost never works like that, as much as we'd like it to. You work your way into it. You literally work your way into it. So if you feel stuck right now, good. That means you're at the starting line. And here's the truth of it. If you can't help one person, you won't magically help 100. So if you're able to prove it first, at least to yourself, then scale it, that's pretty much the way that you hack it. So, decide and tell me, who are you helping? What's the problem you're solving? How are you helping them? Simple. And, it could be something from getting their first win to having their first fun of the week. So anyways, don't believe me, test it. Hope that helps. Have fun, make friends. See you on the next one.